writers do not always need more pressure. Sometimes they need encouragement, structure, and support. Many writers already carry enough pressure before they even begin writing. They feel behind compared to other people. They feel like they should be writing more, finishing faster, publishing sooner, or creating perfect work every single time. Social media, deadlines, and comparison often make writers feel like they are constantly falling behind. Over time, that pressure becomes mentally exhausting. Instead of helping writers move forward, pressure often creates fear, self-doubt, and frustration. Many writers sit down to work, but immediately start thinking about everything they have not completed yet. They focus on unfinished drafts, missed goals, and unrealistic expectations. Eventually, the pressure becomes so overwhelming that they stop writing altogether. Pressure can make writers freeze. Encouragement helps writers breathe, begin, and keep going. Encouragement reminds writers that progress does not need to happen all at once. Writing is not built in a single day. Most meaningful projects are created through small, consistent actions repeated over time. One paragraph matters. One page matters. One focused writing session matters. Small progress is still progress. The Domino Effect Writing System was created to help writers build momentum without carrying unnecessary pressure. Instead of trying to complete everything at once, the system encourages writers to focus on one clear step at a time. You do not have to finish everything today. You do not have to know every answer today. You do not have to write perfectly today. You only need the next domino. That next domino may be brainstorming one idea, outlining one section, writing one paragraph, or editing one page. When writers focus only on the next step, the process becomes more manageable and less intimidating. Encouragement also helps writers stay connected to the reason they started writing in the first place. Pressure often shifts the focus toward fear and performance. Encouragement shifts the focus back toward growth, purpose, and consistency. This does not mean writers avoid discipline or stop taking their goals seriously. Encouragement is not the opposite of discipline. In fact, encouragement often creates healthier discipline because it helps writers continue without destroying their confidence. The truth is that many writers do not quit because they lack talent. They quit because they become overwhelmed, discouraged, and mentally exhausted. They try to carry the entire journey at once instead of taking one step at a time. The Domino Effect Writing System reminds writers that slow progress is still meaningful progress. Confidence grows through consistency, not constant pressure. Writers who learn to move calmly and steadily are more likely to finish the work that truly matters. Encouragement creates space for creativity, clarity, and growth. It helps writers keep moving forward without feeling crushed by unrealistic expectations. Subscribe for calm writing, encouragement, and step-by-step writing support.